Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing accounts and security. This matters because many community servers enforce verification. Open Discord on desktop or web, paste the Azure invite link, or enter the server code. Make sure your Discord display name is appropriate and recognizable. Once done, accept the invite and read the welcome channel. You will be prompted to verify email or link an external account. Follow those prompts now, because verification reduces delays and automatic blocks. Now you handle the middle, more detailed steps. Verify identity and request access to relevant channels. You'll often need to link a Microsoft or GitHub account. Choose the provider shown, consent to the minimal permissions, and confirm. Next, complete any CAPTCHA and react to the roles message to unlock topic channels. Make sure to read pinned rules and choose roles that match your interests. These steps grant permission levels and prevent automated restrictions, so be thorough and patient. Finish by adjusting roles, notification settings, and reading pinned guides. You should now have access to Azure-specific channels. Join threads and introduce yourself in the designated channel. If verification fails, contact a moderator with your Discord tag and a brief description. They can manually grant access. One common troubleshooting tip: log out, clear cache, or switch to the Discord desktop app. This resolves most link and verification glitches quickly. If problems persist, request moderator assistance and follow their instructions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.